Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited for today's video because today we're doing something a little different. Today I'll be showing you guys how I do my morning skincare routine. So I don't know about you guys, but for me, my morning routine really sets the tone for the rest of my day. So I've been doing this super quick and easy morning routine for a little while now, and it always leaves me, very refreshed. It wakes me up and really starts me off on the right foot for the day. Now, before we jump into the products that I actually use on my face, I did want to highlight this little product because this really changed the game for me. Like, this spa headband and wristband combo just made it so much easier to wash your face, brush your teeth, because it keeps the water from getting everywhere. The headband keeps the water from getting in your edges, and then the wristband keeps the water from like dripping down your arms, getting on your clothes, getting all over the sink. So this definitely was a game changer for me. And like always, everything that I mentioned in today's video will be linked below so you can check it out for yourselves. And now for the main event. So as you guys can tell by the title, today I will be using Rihanna's Fenty Skin Starter Kit, and so far so good. The kit comes with everything you need in it. So I'm just going to start with using the Fenty Skin Total Cleanser Face Wash. And like I said, I have been using this for a little while now, not too long, but so far so good. I do have sensitive skin and I have not had any kind of reaction to it. It hasn't broken my face out or anything. But I will wait until I've been using it for about a month before I give you guys like a full review of her skincare products. So as for the face brush that I'm using, this has definitely been a game changer as well. I got it off of Amazon, of course, and I've definitely been getting my money's worth out of it. So it's a rechargeable electronic silicone facial cleansing brush, and it gives you a deeper clean than you would get if you were just trying to wash your face with your hands. It vibrates, so it definitely pushes the product into your pores, getting all of that dirt and oil and junk out. So it gives you a really good deep clean, and I highly recommend it. So now I'm going in with the Fenty Skin Cookies&Clean face mask. So this actually didn't come in the kit. I bought this in addition to the kit just because I really wanted to try it out for myself. I had seen a couple people, posting it and talking about it, so I just wanted to try it out. And it doesn't have a smell. I thought it would kind of smell like cookies and cream, but it doesn't smell like anything. But it does feel really good on the skin. Like I said, I will wait before I give like my official review of her products after I've been using them for a few weeks. But for an initial review, everything is feeling really good on the skin. And like I said, nothing has irritated me thus far, and I do have sensitive skin, so cross your fingers that I don't run into any problems. Baby, you don't know what you do to me. So I did like that all of her products came with clear instructions on how to use them right on the packaging. So for the face mask, you go in and apply a thin layer, and then you actually go back over and you rub in the mask until it turns from white into like this gray color. And then once it turns into something that looks like this, that's when you can go in and rinse it off. And yes, I am using A&D ointment on my lips. I actually picked this up from Aaliyah J watching her channel, and she did not lie. This is a great product to use on your lips or even on your face if you have really dry skin like I do, especially in the winter months when it's starting to get cold. Next, I'll be going in with the Fenty Skin Fat Water Toner. And this product was actually very interesting to use for the first time, just because it's different from all of the other toners that I've ever used. So most toners are liquidy, runny kind of texture. This one is a thicker consistency. So it's almost like a gel, but it's not heavy at all. It's still very lightweight on your skin. And the instructions actually say for you to just put some on your fingertips and then apply it to your skin that way. I, of course, had my cotton pads ready because mainly I'm expecting it to be liquidy, but I am glad that I had them because I don't necessarily recommend you just putting toner on your face and letting it sit like that. Toner really strips out the oils and things out of your skin, so I don't recommend just letting it sit on there. I recommend getting a cotton pad still and just wiping it over your face like any other toner. Now, the next couple products that I mentioned actually are not from the Fenty Skin line at all, but they're still really good products to have in your morning routine, starting with the Vitamin C Serum. So as you guys know, vitamin C has a bunch of good properties, but it also has a lot of benefits for your skin. And the one that I'm specifically using, I actually could not find the link to it, but they all do the same thing. All vitamin C serums are pretty much the same thing. So I listed another good option down in the description box below. Next, I'll be going in with the Ordinary Hyaluronic Acid Face Serum. So I'm pretty sure you guys have seen this brand everywhere. It's gotten really popular over the last couple of years, and I enjoy them as well, especially this product. So don't let the name fool you or anything like that. Its main primary function is just to hydrate the skin. So if you have dry skin like I do, I highly recommend you adding this into your morning and night routines. So next I'll be using my under eye cream, and this is one that I got from Neutrogena, and I do enjoy this one. I actually use it in my morning and my night routines, and you just want to use under eye cream just to kind of wake you up, to fight dark circles, to fight the puffiness, just to make you look more awake. I do know, especially for girls who wear makeup, dark circles can become a problem with you wearing eye makeup, and this just helps combat that and makes your face, your eyes look brighter. And so now you just want to make sure that you lock in all that good stuff in with a good moisturizer. This is one I got from E.L.F, but you can use any kind of face moisturizer that you have on hand. But I'll definitely link the link to this one in the description box below. Last but not least, the most important step in any skincare routine is the sunscreen, okay, you guys? And this one actually came out of the starter kit. This is the Fenty Skin Hydra Vizor SPF 30, okay? And let me just tell y'all, Rihanna did her big one with this one, okay? This is everything. It didn't leave any kind of like white film after I applied it, and it smelled amazing. Like, it smelled like peaches and mangoes, and it's just amazing. So definitely check this one out. If you don't try anything else, I would definitely recommend the sunscreen. Please, 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 please make sure you guys are putting on sunscreen, okay? So yeah, that's pretty much my whole routine. I've been doing this pretty consistently for a little while, and it's been working for me. It's done wonders for my skin. So let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. All of the products that I mentioned will be linked in the description box, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.